Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Thursday the 7th of August. It's afternoon and you can see where I am. I'm on the Central Drive, Bonny Street car park and I'm here to film you guys a brand new update of the Court Buildings demolition site. Lots going on today. Everybody's working hard. We can see Skylar there. One of the Desmonds is behind him. If we move over here a little bit, we can see the other Desmond there. And if I come back around this side, we can see the other Skylar, and we can see Finley working hard. Scoopy Doo is on site, he's around the back. So guys, I'm going to just film here for a couple of minutes, then I'm going to go to the bridge and just climb up our little bridgey bit and pick up the camera from there. For now we're just going to work to the film from this end. Just watch everybody working from here. There you go, you can see Scoopy Doo over there. Right, I am going to climb from the bridge now because the sun's right in my eyes and I think we'll get some really good video from the bridge. Let's just nip up the little climbing bit and I'll see you up there. So guys, I'm up on the bridge now and if we zoom in here, there is the third Skylar, the little guy there. Up there, if we zoom in there, peek right in, oh, you can see the sea. The camera just carried on zooming, it's come out again. So we've got the Skylar there, we've got Desmond there, then we've got the other Skylars there and the other Desmonds there, and everybody it is working super duper hard today. Meanwhile, I'm getting dust in my eyes. I'm just going to move a little bit, guys, because even though that was a great view, I was getting way too much dust in my eyes. I think I'm going to get dust everywhere, yeah. I'm just going to see if I can cover my face up a bit. I've literally got my t-shirt now just pulled up over my nose and everything, protecting my face because there's so much dust blowing out this side from Finley there. There's still a lot of dust coming out here. You can just see it like poofing off in massive clouds. I've moved once again, I've just moved out of that giant dust cloud cap. The view's not quite as good, but at least I can breathe here. guys, I've moved down lower end of the bridge, or higher end of the bridge actually, just to see if I could get a better view, and it appears like everybody seems to have collectively stopped. I think it's around, what time is it? 4 o'clock, being told. That sounds like Scoopy, that noise. Finley's stopped. 2 of the Skylers have stopped. The littlest Skyler in the background, just behind, he's still going. The dust machine's going. And one of the Desmonds, just under the pyramid bit, I don't know if you can see him in the video, but he's going as well. All the bigger guys at the front, they appear just to have stopped for a bit. But we have got quite a lot of good footage this afternoon. It's tea time almost. We've got quite a lot of stuff going on. We're really started up again now, good. We're really getting to the end now because the police station is mostly gone. There's still a few good heaps of rubble left. This police station's pretty much gone. Everything's gone and flattened. The court buildings and car parks are long gone. And we've got it all on video. Bit by bit by bit. You can follow the whole thing. But I am going to keep updating you guys on this demolition for as long as you folks want me to, because I know you guys appreciate the videos, because I do get told that. Let me just turn that camera around a little bit like that. There we go. Is that view a bit better? I am zoomed pretty far out, but the action is kind of spread out. Let's go back there a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. Come in a tiny bit. What about that? That's a bit better, isn't it? Good bit of work going on today, so we are going to get a lot of action to watch today, and for sure it's not going to be dramatic action. Now all the big stuff's done and dusted, it's still cool to watch things going on, because I don't want to stay away from this site for a few weeks then come back and see everything flattened. We want to see it happening. Even though it's not super duper exciting, it's still worth filming and watching. At least that's what I think. Maybe just go around a tad more. Past 4 o'clock now, so we're going to be getting ready for tea time, and it is on the Thursday the 7th today, guys. So I have been filming and walking around Rebellion because it's the first day of Rebellion, so there's quite a few folks in town for Rebellion as well, so that's been really cool. And I will be filming tomorrow. I'll be going around hopefully earlier in the morning. I'll come here and I won't forget you guys filming this place. I'm going to film here and I'm going to do a Rebellion walk around as well, so we should get a bit of everything. It's been super duper dusty here this tea time. I've got my eyes full of dust. I feel like I've got dust in my hair. Excuse me. I know I've breathed in a shed full of dust, but I guess that's happening to your face when you're filming on a building site or close to the building site. I'm not literally on the site. But for now, guys, I am going to say goodbye from this one. They're still working, but I am leaving this one for now, but I will be back tomorrow. So for now, Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're continuing to enjoy this series, and I shall continue to film as long as people watch. And I will see you all in the next video very soon. Goodbye.